Hello, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy S25, and in this video I'm going to show the AI features that you might didn't know about. Okay, so let's begin. First, let's open up our settings, and in here we have the whole list that I want to show you. It's the Galaxy AI, and some people don't even know that those features appear on this phone, or they might know about that list, but they don't know where to find those things. So in here we have the call assist, writing assist, interpreter, note assist, transcript assist, browsing assist, photo assist, drawing assist, audio eraser, photo ambient wallpaper, now brief, and health assist. So in this video I'll try to show you the most interesting features in my opinion from those. And maybe let's begin, but let me open up the list pretty quick. Maybe let's begin with the interpreter. We can find it in our sidebar. It's right in here. So open up your sidebar, and now let's click on interpreter. Now we are in the conversation mode, as you can see. You can also, I think, read in here how this option works. So welcome to interpreter. Your conversation will be translated, so what each of you says can be understood by the other. We also have the live transition. Live transition will be shown on the screen. You can also listen to the translation exclusively with Galaxy Buds. So, for example, this mode and this feature is really useful when you are offshore, and basically when you are in a country that you don't know the language of. So, for example, you are in Italy, and people there, some of the people, let's say, they don't speak English, but you need to get some information from them. So you can basically open up the interpreter. For your language, you can select. Other way. Below, you select the language that you want to translate to. So we want to translate into English, and above, let's say, we need to select the Italian. You can see it right in here, but first you need to download it. But don't worry, it's not gonna take a long time. So when he will be talking to you in Italian, it will be translated into English. But let me show you how this works in other way. So let's say we are Polish now, and we are speaking with someone who's English. So. And now I will tap on this mic button. I will say a few things in English, and it will be translated in here into Polish. So let's try. Hello, how are you? Can I know how to get into the gas station, please? Okay, and now as you can see, it has been successfully translated, and now as you can see, the roles has been switched, and now I need to talk in Polish. So that's how the interpreter works. You can find it in here. We also have the AI select, which is basically some kind of a Google circle to search. In here again we can select the part of the screen, and now we have a few things that we can do with it. So we can use the drawing assist. We also have the generative edit. If we click in here, we can set this part of the screen as a wallpaper. We can create a GIF from that selected part of the page. Below we can pin it, I think. No, in here we can draw on our screenshot, on our part of the screen. We also can pin this part of the screen on our home screen. We can copy it, and we can share with it, and we can also download it simply. So when we are here, actually, let me show you how the drawing assist work. Let's open it up. It's another one of the features from the Galaxy AI, sorry. Wait, let me do it again. Drawing assist. And now from this part of the screen we can generate some things. So for example, from this part of the screen we can make it a 3D cartoon, but I don't know actually how it will look like. Oh, okay, that way. But yeah, when it comes to the drawing assist, I'll show you that also later. We also have the generative edit, and in here we can change the angle of it. And also we can turn this sketch to image. But it's not gonna work well in that case, but I'll show that in a moment, so don't worry. So that's how the interpreter works and how we can use the AI select. So let me open up the Galaxy AI. From here we can go into the notes. Let's create a new note simply, and in here, to use the AI features, we need to click in here on those dots, on those stars actually, and in here we can auto format our note, we can summarize it. We have spelling and grammar, so it will check if everything is fine with the grammar and the spelling, and we can also translate the text. So let's say we'll try to translate something. So let's say hello. Also, one more thing, we will type it with the mistake. So let's say hello. Who are you? In that way. Oh, I don't want this. I want it with the mistake. How are you? Now let's select our text. Let's click on writing here. Now let's click on spelling and grammar. Now click on show corrections, and now our sentence is is written correctly. So we can click on replace. Boom, and now it's fine. Now let's try to translate it. Clicking here, click on generate translation. Let's do it into, for example, into Italian. And now we can also click on replace. So that's how this option works. And now let me create a drawing. So I'll show you that sketch to image and that drawing assist. So now in here, let me quickly create something. When it comes to the drawing, you can draw in notes, but when you open the drawing assist from the smart sidebar, you can click writing here, and now on that free space that you have, you can draw anything that you want. But I will draw in here. So now let's say I'll draw the cat, or let's say I'll try to draw the cat, and now I'll click writing here. Let's click on sketch to image, and let's see what will happen. Oh, now sorry, I need to select the drawing. Okay, and now let's say I want the 3D cartoon. Click on generate. And that's how it looks like. I can click on replace, and now that's how it looks like. So yeah, I'll leave it to you to play with those features. They are pretty cool in my opinion, so I'll leave it to you to know them well. Let's click on settings once again, and let me take a look on that list. Okay, we have the Transcript Assist, transform recordings into text transcripts and summaries you can review and translate. So let's open up the voice recorder. Let's create a quick recording, and we will try to use that feature. Okay, so now as you can see, my voice is being recorded currently. You can see that when I'm talking we got this chart, but that's not the most important thing. So let's stop our recording, let's save it, and let's try to use our feature. Let's click on writing here, and let's use the Transcribe feature from the Galaxy AI. And now we need to select the language. We can also actually, I'm wondering what will happen when I'll transcribe into Italian. But now you can see that we have the text from this speech, but let's try maybe with the English now. But wait. I want to transcribe it, but now into English. Okay, weird thing. But as you can see, it works. It has been successfully transcribed, but into Italian. Alright, next thing is the browsing assist, and for that we need to use the Samsung browser. It's right in here, in my case. Let's open up. Let's click right in here, click on more, click on OK, and in here again we can summarize, we can translate the pages, and we can also read highlights aloud. But first we need to open up some page for that to work. Or actually, maybe in here it will work. Let's click on read highlights.
Sleep and activity is generating significant buzz in Poland. Available from various retailers like Media Expert and New Level Sport, it offers precise.
As you can see, it works. It's reading what it sees. And now let's try with the translate feature. Now we need to translate into Polish, for example. And now, as you can see, the text has been changed into Polish. So it works in that way. I suggest you should know those features for yourself. Okay, again, Galaxy AI, and let me check other things. Yeah, I think as the last thing I'll show you the photo assist. So let's open up the camera and let's take a look on some photos that I have taken earlier. Sorry, not the camera app, but the gallery. And in here, for example, I have a photo that I taken. Or no, I'll take a new one. So I'll take a photo, for example, of that and that. Let's open up those photos, and now let's click on right in here. It's our AI, and now let's try with the sketch to image. Let's draw something on that photo, and we'll turn my ugly sketch into image. So I don't know, I'll try to draw the car. I hope that it will work. Alright. Maybe. Now click on generate. Maybe it will become a car from my ugly drawing. And as you can see from my ugly sketch, a beautiful car appeared on our photo. We can click on save copy. So that was the original photo, and that's with our car that I made from my sketch. Also, when we open up the gallery normally, now I will show you the object eraser. So now I just spawned this car. So now let's erase it. Let's click on right in here, and click now in here. Now let's select that car. And let's erase it by clicking this rubber icon. We can also change position when we click right in here. So let's say from that position, let's place it in here. Then click on generate. And it should move this car. Okay, as you can see, the car has been moved. but now it's not. It doesn't have that shadow, which is right in here when I copied it. You can see the difference. If you want to save, click on Done and Save Copy, but I don't want it. Now I'll show you how to erase it. So let's select our car and let's erase it. Then click on Generate. Let's wait, and now click on Save Copy. And now our car has been successfully deleted from the photo. Okay, and the last thing is the Gemini. Sorry, the Bixby, I mean. To use it, we need to hold the power button. And then click on side button settings. Actually, when you hold the power button normally, when you buy this phone, there's a chance that already the Bixby will launch, or the Google Assistant. Let's hold the power button and the volume down button for around 3 seconds. Now click on side button settings, click on long press, and here we have the Bixby. It works like a Google Assistant, but basically it's the Galaxy AI. It's like the Siri, the Samsung Siri. We can say it in that way, I hope. And you can ask him to do anything that you want, basically, or to get some information from the internet. You can type to it manually, or you can use voice commands. I'll show you that. Hello. Then release your finger.
Hello, and a tip of my metaphorical hat to you.
Okay, I don't know what that rhyme is. Let's see what the Bixby can do. Let's ask him for, I don't know, maybe some historical question. Who was the first man on the moon? If you don't know, you can always ask the AI. I know, but let's ask the AI. Let's ask the Bixby. Does he know? Who was the first man on the moon?
Neil Armstrong.
We have our answer. If you don't know, now you know. So I'll leave it to you to play with all those AI features. I hope that you didn't know about them and this video was helpful to you in some way. Alright, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.